Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that shit. Um, they not like us. 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 Are we really gonna do it? Yes, the fuck we is. Anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. Today is sex tip Tuesday. Bitch, sex tip Tuesday. Bitch. So look, let's get on into y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. Okay, so the sex tip, right? So okay, say you can't walk in. So say you can't walk in a heel like this, you know, nice little heel, and everybody should own like a pair, right? Or maybe you have complications with these is my boots. My boots. Now this heel is hard. But let me tell you something. The good thing about walking in a heel like this is the platform because it levels out your foot. You're not flat and then your heel, yeah, and you up on your heel, which makes walking very uncomfortable. When there's a platform in the front and the heel is high, you have more leverage in the heel, and you can maintain your walking. It's not as uncomfortable. But you have to, learn how to finesse because there's techniques in walking in heels. So, but everybody should get them a pair, right? Rather if you just laying down or anything like that, or say you in a position like this. Yes. So say you're not doing too much walking. Say he comes home and you you got your heels on and you just like in your little swimsuit, your little lingerie, and you bent over. You know what I'm saying? So while you bending over, right? Soon as he walk in the door, like soon as he walk in the door, or if you're in the bedroom, wherever you are, the kitchen, the bathroom, I don't know where you gonna set yourself up at, and you like just pause yourself. And you can also put your hands as you see she's bent over, but you can put your hands on the bed in that bent over position, or on the a chair, the cabinet, whatever. And then take your time, and then you can wiggle your little hips, like just take your time, like a nice little wiggle, 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 wiggle. And also you can control the situation. How do you control the situation? Don't let him touch. Tell him, if he touch, like slap his hand away. It is the tease, ladies. It is the tease. It is the tease. You're gearing up for the finale. You know what I'm saying? Because once it's over, it's over. You know what I'm saying? But in the meantime, in the between time, and before time, you want to have your level of seduction like up high, and you have to be in control of it. So you're in this position, and he try to touch you. No, you tell him no. You can't touch. Just look, right? And you can wiggle your body this way and that away, and also you can take it your cheeks and spread them. You know what I'm saying? And also use your muscles, like I'm doing it right now, where your pussy just be going in and out. It was like control your lower abdominals, which moves your pussy in and out. Oh yeah, ooh. Do that, and take your time with it. It's easy, 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 easy. But there's no touching. Like get him like nice and aroused. Get yourself nice and aroused too. Aroused, because by you doing like this, like that get that pussy pumping, get it going. You know what I'm saying? So that's for that one. Now, say if you're lying on your stomach as such, lying on your stomach with the heels on. Like, say if you are having complications, you can come to me. I'll help you, ladies. That's what I do. With walking in heels, you don't have to walk. You can lay down. Like, say if you and you want to plan like a nice little sexy little night for y'all, you lay down with the heels on or the heels not on. Totally up to you. Lay on your stomach. And while you on the bed, on the couch, on the floor, wherever you are, in the bathtub, I don't know where you are, right? the garage, the hallway, with you laying on your stomach, and the same thing. The first one was you bent over, so now you laying on your stomach, and the same thing. You separate your cheeks, and just and pulsate that pussy. You know what I'm saying? When you get to touching, tell him no touching. You have to control the situation. Like, don't let it move too fast, right? And then while you're in that position, you can also roll over on your back. Depending on how flexible you are, you know how you grab the back of your knees and pull them towards you. You can also still be doing this. You may fart, so what? Like, well, why are we embarrassed about that? It's a part of human nature. Like, so what? He hear that, he know you his woman. So I mean, what the fuck? It's a natural bodily function. What the fuck is the problem? So, just do that, and you can play with yourself, like rub it, what I'm saying, rub on yourself, whatever. Get him all around. Get tease. Okay? And now say for my ladies with the Maggie with the knees, or the little Kim with the knees, because little Kim dropped that down, but she wasn't moving. She dropped it down early. So you in this position. Let's say if you get in that position. Now I'm telling y'all right now, bitch, I can't get in that position. No, those days is over for me. And it's okay. Y'all can't be like, don't be feeling no type of way if you can't drop down on your knees. Bitch, I can't. No. Now, if I was to do it, I would have to be on my knees in the bed. And I can't open too wide. Bitch got hip replacements. My knee got a little issue. You know what I'm saying? So I can only open as wide as I possibly can. But if you go down with the little Kim and the Maggie with the knees, you can do that. They also have those bondage things that you can buy where you're not totally bondage. Like, you can easily get yourself out. Like, it's a Velcro type of situation. You can, like little Kimmy is right here, like hold yourself up like that with your arms up, and also with your feet, have it here and here and attached to something, and your ankles attached to something else, and maybe you in the bed, you know what I'm saying? And when he come in, that type of thing. Control the situation once again. It is the tease you want to build up. You know what I'm saying? Like, take your time. So while you in that position, once again, we're gonna be pulsating that pussy. And well, if you're chained up, you can't move your hands. So you know what I'm saying. But still, you verbally, you can tell him when and when not. You can tell him when to kiss it. No, you can't lick it. You can kiss it. Just kiss me here, kiss me there. No, I said lick. Control the situation. He like that. Because a lot of women don't take control. It's always like the man, like, doing the shit. You can take control, which, you know what I'm saying, which will make your sex even so much more harder. And don't be afraid. Like, hopefully where that gives you that take you to that next level on your body. And tell him to kiss you there, lick you there, however you want it. These earrings is light, but these motherfuckers is hurting my goddamn ears because they keep turning back like that, bitch. But yeah, control the situation. Try these spots, these situations out with or without heels. Totally up to you. Remember the pulsating. Just a smooth little, like, you just want to move smooth. If you can't move, if you're not tied up or something, like, you want to move easy. Just easy. Take your time. Move easy. Okay. And yeah. So that's my sex tip for the day. Let me know what y'all think. Have you ever done that? What you think? I would appreciate it if you leave that. And y'all know my name is Real. I'm an intimacy coach / seduction with the service called Seductive ArT. I'll be having my next Seductive ArT workshop in May. I'll keep you abreast of that. I'm also an author. The title of my book is called Quickie and 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck while you read. As well as I am a designer. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real. I'll be having some stuff coming up real soon. Just give me a meaning. I got to set the shit in. I had tried to set the shit up, but then I got denied. I'm trying to do it online, so now I got to try it again. Like, it's some bullshit, but hey, this is the journey. So anyway, if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please click that. I would appreciate that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. Be humble, be gentle, be kind, be a great listener, be wise, be in tune with self. Be grateful. Be generous. Be thoughtful. Um, be supportive. Be a part of your community. Black people, be black and proud. Yeah, we already know you black if you black, but are you proudly that? And teach your children that. And be about your motherfucking money. No if, no ands, no buts about that shit. Be boisterous, be opinionated, be fierce, be ambitious, be focused, be confident, be loving, be thoughtful. I said that already. All these things, because in the midst of all these things, because one thing that we are about over here is navigating ourselves to the Most High. That's how we move. And in the midst of you doing all of these things and you're being well, working on your wellness, your mental, your physical, the big five, your mental, your physical, your spiritual, your financial, and your emotional well-being. And in the midst of all that, don't you think twice, don't you peep around the corner, and that is, you always be you. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night.